In an increasingly unpredictable world, the importance of preparedness cannot be overstated. Enter Dark Reset, Survival Before the Silence, a comprehensive digital survival guide designed to equip individuals and families with the skills necessary to thrive in the face of adversity. This guide is not just another manual filled with theoretical knowledge, it is a practical, step-by-step plan created by a team of survival experts. With the potential for societal disruptions looming, this guide offers a lifeline for those who want to be ready for whatever may come. At its core, Dark Reset is about more than just survival, it is about empowerment. The guide recognizes that the average person may not have extensive survival skills but still wants to ensure the safety and well-being of their loved ones. Unlike traditional survival manuals that often cater to seasoned preppers, Dark Reset is designed for everyday people. It teaches essential skills, such as generating off-grid energy using common materials, purifying water from natural sources, and storing food without refrigeration. These practical lessons make it accessible to anyone, regardless of their prior experience in survival preparation.